Redbubble design tutorial, quick and easy, how to design on Redbubble. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create easy designs for your Redbubble account and how you can upload amazing designs in under 5 to 10 minutes. It's going to take you less than 5 to 10 minutes to create these designs for you to get started with your own print-on-demand business using a platform like Redbubble. So first off, I'm just going to give you a quick overview. Redbubble is a platform that allows you to print your own designs and sell them to customers. All you have to do is upload your designs and then you can get them printed on anything. And Redbubble are the people that are going to handle all of the shipping, all of the inventory, and all of that. You don't have to handle any of that. You're just going to be uploading designs and you're going to be getting commissions every time your design is sold. So to get started, what platform are we going to use to actually create our designs? So first off, we're going to be using canva.com to create our designs. Now, Canva is an amazing platform that enables you to create different illustrations. First, before you begin creating your design, you're redbubble.com and you have your account, you can first off decide what kind of item that you are designing for. So you can see you have clothing, stickers, masks, phone cases, wall art, home and living, kids and babies. So there are a lot of different things available that you can get your stuff printed on. You can create posters, you can create notebooks, you can create mouse pads, greeting cards, you can create wall art, you can create tapestry. There are a lot of different options. Now, you can also create phone cases, and a lot of the times you can just create one design and then you can print it on many different things. So you don't have to be very specific about the design that you can create, but there are certain things that you might want to create specific designs for, like stickers. So you can create like something very specific in terms of stickers, but in general terms, you can get a design that you can print on multiple different items. So what we're going to be creating is going to be a simple design that I can get printed on t-shirts and face masks and phone cases and wall art. So that is like the main focus that I'm going to be focusing on. Now we're going to go on to canva.com, and on canva.com, all you have to do is make sure to register your account using your email. So you're just going to create your account using your email, and after that, this is going to be your dashboard. Now over here, you're just going to click on custom size on the right over here, and then you can input the size that you want of your canvas. So make sure you change this from pixels into inches and then input the design size that you want. So let's say I am going to go for a 13 by 13 design. The reason that I'm going for a 13 by 13 is it is going to be a square canvas, but it's not going to be pretty high resolution. It's not going to be too small or too big. You can obviously customize the size accordingly. For t-shirts, I wouldn't recommend you go anything below 13 by 13 inches. Make sure you're sizing up, not sizing down, because if you're going for anything less than 13, I would not recommend it. 13 is like a beginner size. For most standard sizes, I like to go 18 by 18. The reason for that is it allows you good a resolution for your images. So it is going to give you a high resolution image that is going to get printed on the Redbubble merchandise. So you want to make sure that your images are not, low resolution. They should be high resolution. So we're going to be using the 18 by 18 inch canvas, and we're going to get started by first off clicking on the canvas, and then you're going to click on the top left over here, click on background color, and then you're going to choose a background color. You can click on document colors over here and then choose whatever shade you want. You will have the color wheel. You can move this and then choose whatever color you want. So I'm going to go with this light lime green, and then after that you're going to click on the element section, and then in the element section what you're going to do is you're going to start adding different elements to fulfill your design. So let's say I want to create a female empowerment design, so I'm just going to search for female over here, and first maybe I want to create like some empowerment like logos. So I'm just going to search for empowerment, and I'm just going to take a look at the logos available. So these are some interesting little illustrations. I'm just going to open these up, and then whenever you click on an illustration, you get recommendations as well. So you can click on see all at the recommendations and you will get similar recommendations for similar items. Now you can see there are quite a few different items available, and I think I'm going to go with this one. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to expand this over here. I'm going to place it right at the center. I'm going to expand it some more, place it at the center over here. And once I have placed it at the center, I'm going to click on this, and then you can see these colors on the top left. These are the colors of the image, and then you can change these colors as well. So you can change this into anything you want. We're just going to change these up a little. I want a more solid color scheme over here. I'm going to go into the pinks a bit like this. And then what I'm going to do is I want to add like some quotations maybe or some text at the background. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on text on the left over here, and you can see there are different font combinations available as well. You can pick out a font combination, or you can just start with this Untitled brand kit and just use this simple text and then customize it accordingly. But I'm just going to use this font combination and I'm going to place it over here. And first I'm going to click on the bottom text and I'm going to click on delete because I don't need that text. And now I'm going to start adding my own quotation or text better together, and then I'm going to expand this text box like so, and then I'm going to place this right at the center. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on effect at the top right, and then you can see there are different effects that you can add to the text over here. So I'm going to click on splice, and I'm going to take a look at the color of the splice. I'm going to add a splice effect, and now after that I'm going to click on effects once more, and then you also have the curve effect, so you can also add that. Once you click on curve, you're going to see this bar over here, which allows you to see how curved you want your text to be. I'm going to give it a slight curve, and now it looks like it is placed on the hands of this person over here. So we're just going to rotate this a little like this, and it looks like this person is holding this text. So after that, what I'm going to do, like how this is currently looking like, so I'm going to click on elements over here and go back into elements, and then I'm going to select female once more, and I'm going to click on graphics, and I'm just going to search for empowerment again. And because I want to fill out these spaces at the corners, I find that if I add more people it would look nice. So I'm just going to click on send backward, and then I'm going to click on see all, and then I'm going to add similar images. So I'm going to add this one, and I'm just going to click on this image, click on flip this horizontally, click on send backward, and resize this one as well so it fits like so. So I'm just going to add this over here. So you can see now I have this amazing little illustration. You can add some flowers or anything more details that you want. I want to add some tiny hearts. So I'm just going to search for hearts, and I'm going to click on graphics, and I'm going to click on this, and we're just going to add this over here, maybe on the top. And then I'm going to click on Command C and Command V, and then I'm going to place this on the other side. Then I'm going to click on flip on the top center, and I'm going to flip horizontally so it's like totally symmetrical. And once I've finished my design, I'm just going to click on share, click on download this PNG, and then I can go on to Redbubble and I can click on my account, click on sell your art, and then I can just simply click on upload new work, go into my downloads, upload my new work, female. I'm going to name this just female, and then you can see your product preview. So you can enable what you want this to be printed on. Maybe I want this on this t-shirt, more t-shirts. I want this on phone cases, stickers and magnets, mouse pads. Maybe I want this more on travel mugs as well, simple mugs and scarves. So you can enable what you want your items to be printed on, what you want your design to be printed on, what kind of items, and then after that you can just continue on and then start selling your design. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.